In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use canvases in Slack. Whether you're collaborating with team members or organizing your project notes, Slack's Canvas feature is a powerful tool to enhance your productivity. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to Slack. Open your preferred web browser on your computer or use the Slack desktop app if you have it installed. Once you're logged into your workspace, you should see the familiar interface where you interact with your colleagues through different channels and direct messages. Next, let's go to the specific place where you want to create your canvas. You can choose a direct message with someone or a channel that you're part of. This can be any ongoing conversation where you think a canvas would be useful, maybe to brainstorm ideas or share detailed information. Once you've picked the chat or channel, you'll notice the message box at the bottom. Just below this box, there's a plus icon. Clicking on this icon will open up a few options. Among them, you'll find Canvas. Go ahead and click on Canvas to proceed. Now, you'll see an option to create new canvas. Clicking on this will take you to a blank canvas ready for you to add your content. If you're wondering when this feature can be handy, think about times when you need to compile meeting notes, track project tasks, or even draft a presentation. It's a versatile space within Slack for you to flesh out your ideas. When you're ready to start working on your canvas, you have the choice to begin from scratch or utilize existing templates. Templates can be a great way to save time and ensure you're using a structure that works. You can edit and reformat the templates as needed to suit your specific requirements. After you've completed your canvas or simply want to switch back to the chat, look for the left arrow icon at the top. Clicking this arrow will take you back to the chat window. You can confirm you're satisfied with your canvas and ready to share it with your team. To send your newly created canvas, find the Send button, usually represented by an icon of an arrow or paper airplane at the bottom right of your chat window. Click this, and your canvas will be shared with the channel or individual you're chatting with. This action not only shares the contents, but invites your team members to engage with the information you've organized. And there you have it. You've successfully used the Canvases feature in Slack to boost your communication and productivity. Remember, it's an excellent way to create visual content without ever leaving your chat interface. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you incorporate canvases into your Slack workflow more effectively.